Let us show you how to prepare your iMOW robotic mower for a winter break. First, ensure that the iMOW is charged to at least 50%. This will guarantee that your robotic mower can hibernate while preserving the battery. The charging state of your iMOW will be displayed in the My iMOW app. Take your iMOW from the docking station and press the stop button once. Press and then keep the stop button pressed until the light strip fully lights up red. Pressing the stop button again will activate the device lock. Now, press and hold the stop button one more time. As soon as the light strip fully lights up red, the hibernation mode is activated. A dried and closed room is ideally suited for storage. Ensure that the device is placed firmly and outside the reach of children. Disconnect the mains plug of the power supply of the docking station from the socket and protect it against weather exposure. Afterwards, clean all components. Finally, cover the docking station with a large bucket and secure it to the ground with pegs.